Fake news. It's everywhere, especially in the food industry. I'm Yoni Lotan here for FFN, talking to real strangers about fake food headlines. This is fake news. Okay, we're live? We're live. And we're live here at FFN in New York City talking to...
Barnaby.
Barnaby, we're here talking to people about food news. Barnaby, there's a new study that apples actually feel pain. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel so sad for the apples when we bite into them.
Do you find this matter funny?
Yes.
I mean, they're already dead when we pick them off the tree.
You heard it here first. Apples are already dead when you pick them off the tree. Gluten. Should it be free?
I don't know, maybe.
It turns out that soda is actually good for you. How does that make you feel?
I don't drink soda, actually. I don't like the bubbles.
T for two, two for tea, T for me, ta-ta-tea-ta-too. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, we have breaking news. How do you guys feel about the infamous quiche incident that's been rocking the nation?
The quiche scandal?
Yeah, it's just like the quiche incident that happened in 2007.
Quiches do need to be bigger.
Absolutely. Totally agree.
I haven't eaten quiche for like 5 years, I don't know.
That's exactly the point.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not a very popular thing.
No, it's not, which is why so many people are so surprised by this. Vegans are now being condemned for plant cruelty.
I don't think that's real.
Why are you laughing? It is a real problem.
Plants don't have feelings, man. Come on.
That is a very hot take. What would you say is the main difference between English food and American food?
Americans like a lot of hot dogs and donuts and pies.
They're changing it from espresso to espresso.
Wow, that is huge. Can't believe it.
I guess they don't have an opinion. I think espresso's fine, but espresso, I don't know, it sounds kind of sharp.
Sharp. And that's the way we like it here in FFN.
You've been lying to TV. How dare you?
Thank you so much. I'm Yoni Lotan, and this has been FFN.